James. I'm your host, James. I just want to say that I can't believe we're at 298 subscribers, too shy of 300. That's phenomenal. Thanks to all you guys. I really appreciate all the support. The other thing I'm really stoked about, I'm super excited about, is we're doing a collaboration with Lyle at No Hippie BBQ, and I've talked to this guy. He's really cool, down to earth, kind of knows. He's been around for a while on YouTube. He knows all of this stuff. And if you haven't subscribed, which you probably have, but if you haven't, check his channel out. He's got like 600 and something videos, all kinds of recipes. Super amazing guy. All of this stuff will be in the description below. Obviously an iCard as well. Huge shout outs to you, Lyle. I really appreciate this, man. So let's get into what we're doing today. It's gonna be a breakfast sandwich. I'm going to call this the all-in breakfast sandwich. So, I mean, we got hash browns, link sausage, bacon, 2 types of cheese. This is the kind of gravy, just a regular country packet of gravy. These biscuits right here, eggs. I got the Texas style just today. I mean, about an hour ago I actually bought this. It's the Texas toast with the cinnamon swirl in it. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with that. So with that all said, what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get these biscuits cooking. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw this in the toaster oven. All right guys, now we're on to the gravy. We're gonna go ahead and prep this next. All right guys, biscuits are done. All right guys, biscuits and gravy are done. All right guys, we're at the griddle. It's hot. We're gonna lay down the sausage, the bacon, and the hash browns all at the same time. Alright guys, so we're gonna dip this, do some French toast out on the griddle. Alright guys, we're gonna dip these real quick on each side, nice little coat, and then each one, just like this, throw them on the griddle. Alright guys, so we got the Texas toast here. Actually, it's a cinnamon swirl Texas toast. We're gonna take this off. Look at those, oh my gosh, look at that, that looks amazing. And this side, perfect, look at that. So we got these are perfect. So we're gonna throw some eggs on here, throw a little something on there, take them in there, and then we'll build your sandwich. All right guys, so we're back and we're gonna do these eggs. I saved some bacon grease on the side, and I'm gonna do some bacon grease over here, and nothing better than some eggs in some bacon grease. And let's see how it does. Oh man. All right, guys, we're gonna throw some cheese on here. I got 2 slices of Swiss, and then I got a whole bunch of Kobe cheddar also. So this is gonna go all over the sandwich. I don't even know what's going on here. This is crazy. And we're gonna put a lid on it real quick. Lid, and give it a couple minutes. All right, guys, that's what we got right there. And it's amazing because all the cheese is starting to kind of crisp up on the bottom right here, and that's what you want. Here we go. Just like that, onto the plate. Oh my gosh. All right, we'll see you inside. All right guys, we're finally finished with everything. The eggs took a couple of minutes. The cheese is still melty and awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and, with that being said, throw a little bit of butter. These are still warm. Oh my gosh, so they are still, look at that, so the butter's melting on there. And this is Texas toast with a it has cinnamon in it. All right, now, building it. We got massive bacon, all right? We're gonna go ahead and dump some bacon on here, all right? Bacon lovers beware. All right, now with this, we're gonna go ahead and take out the middle of these biscuits real quick. Just like that. Put a biscuit there, and don't worry, for all you biscuit lovers, I will eat that. And so I warmed up the gravy as well. So I got a dish of gravy, and this gravy is hot. All right, so we're gonna put that on there. All right, next, guys, is the phenomenal. Ooh, I can't touch that. I'm in the spatula. Oh my gosh, are the eggs? Look at that. That thing. Ooh, those are still hot. So those eggs. And so just to show you what I did with the sausage real quick, I just cut these links right in half like that. All right, next thing, these are super crispy and awesome. Like almost like McDonald's. I mean, just amazing. So, I mean, I don't even know what I'm doing here. This is ridiculous. I don't know what's going on here. This is ridiculous. All right, let's just throw the rest of it on here with that and with that. And I think with that being said, that butter is already melting. Oh my gosh. I can smell cinnamon. I just smell breakfast. I don't know what to say. You might want to get a picture of that because my hands are just, oh my gosh. That's the thumbnail right there. Get a picture of that on every angle that you can. I don't even know if we're gonna cut that. I don't even know how to try that dang thing. That thing is humongous. All right, well, we have to try it. Oh my gosh. French toast, bacon, eggs, hash browns, biscuits and gravy on the sandwich. Oh my God, look at that. There's a cup of, hold on, I gotta get a napkin. I am serious. There is a cup where the biscuit in there is holding some gravy. Done deal. This is the all-in breakfast sandwich. Look at what, I mean, all right, guys, that's the cook. If you want to attempt, oh my gosh, to try this, I really love for you guys to try it. I mean, it's phenomenal. I mean, that's why it's called the all-in. You have everything that you need. Well, besides pancakes, but I'm not a big pancake guy. So anyway, that's what we ended up with. It was phenomenal. I maybe be able to finish my half. Oh, my daughter or something finished the other half for my wife, and maybe could share it. I have no idea, but this is where we ended up, and this is the collaboration with No Hippie BBQ. So we'll leave all his information down below. Check his video out as well. Show him some love and support. So till the next episode, guys, it's been a great cook. You guys have a good night. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can do that here. You can watch all the videos as well here. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.